The threat landscape is ever evolving, and organizations are struggling with monitoring for threats and taking action across multiple security controls. That's why we've created Trend Micro Vision One. By bringing together email, endpoint, and network activity data from both Trend Micro products and third-party products, we are able to analyze and detect threats across the environment, giving visibility into your security posture and risk within the organization. This demo focuses on the Zero Trust Risk Insights visibility within Trend Micro Vision One. These insights can be accessed directly or through the security dashboard. By using this dashboard, it is easy to identify devices and users that introduce risk in your environment, as well as a score to help identify which are the more risky. By clicking into the areas of risk, such as account compromise or vulnerability detection, you'll be presented with even more detail. While an overall risk score exists for the organization, there are scores associated directly with each user and device. This score is a combination of multiple factors, leveraging all connected intelligence sources such as Trend Micro sensors or third-party products or services. The score fluctuates over time and can be used to decide if immediate response actions are required, such as disabling the user account, forcing sign-out, or assigning access rules to prohibit access to sensitive applications. Here we have visibility into the user's risk and activity. It would seem that their account has been compromised, as there has been password guessing and impossible travel detected. These are only two of the indicators Trend Micro Vision One has to determine if there's been account compromise. Another example would be bulk email being sent from the user's account. We can further deep dive into the user's cloud app activity, detailing what apps they've been using and the risk associated. We also have visibility into the devices being used by the user, such as a workstation and a mobile device. By clicking into a device, you can see its risk score. In this case, the endpoint has a lot of vulnerabilities, increasing its risk. By using the sensor installed on the endpoint, we identify vulnerabilities. Using Trend Micro's threat research arm, we then associate a risk level based on real-life data, such as, is it actively being exploited by attackers? We also include other information from detection data, such as, did they visit a harmful website? Cloud app activity is also logged on a per-device level, as well as a list is maintained of users that have logged into this endpoint. You may also view the cloud app activity inclusive of all users and devices in the organization. By clicking into an app, you can specify if it's sanctioned or unsanctioned for use. To help you make this decision, Trend Micro maintains a vast knowledge base with details about cloud apps, including the compliance and security features they adhere to. If you'd like to reclassify the risk level, you may. Optionally, you can feed this back to Trend Micro for consideration and rescoring. With apps like Microsoft OneDrive that offer usage visibility through their API, this information will show up within Trend Micro Vision One. Machine learning is then used to analyze and report on anomalous usage, such as a large amount of file downloads where there wasn't any previously. You also have quick visibility into the users and devices that are utilizing this cloud app. This has been a brief introduction to the Zero Trust Risk Insights offered through Trend Micro Vision One. For more information, please speak to a team member today.